Today I want to show you Musicana, a versatile music organizer and player that makes managing your music library easy and fun. Musicana lets you discover new music and explore what's trending. You can search for your favorite tracks, bookmark them to your library, create custom playlists, and share them with friends. The app supports both light and dark themes so you can choose a look that fits your taste. If you've got a large music collection, Musicana helps you organize everything neatly. You can sort your songs, manage your playlists, and access your tracks quickly. It gives you the flexibility to listen on the go. You can play songs directly from your device. It's ideal if you want an offline music player, no need for streaming or constant internet. For those who want more control over sound, Musicana delivers a built-in equalizer and supports many audio formats, so you get good quality playback. But it's not perfect. Some users report occasional bugs, like playlists not working smoothly, or songs pausing when switching apps. If you're tired of basic music players and want something simple but powerful to organize and enjoy your music, whether offline or online, Musicana is worth a try. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what you think about Musicana.